Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Monday, August 12th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. A very large white body candle today, a very bullish candle, with the buyers closing with fairly strong control of this market. And the buyers have made a very substantial amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, as evidenced by the size of that white body. For the previous day's trading, there was a small hanging man type pattern and suggested a possibility of a change of trend, a very small bodied candle suggesting that the momentum that the buyers had previously had vanished. But today the buyers have gone on with the job, and that potential change of trend didn't come anywhere near completion. The market didn't trade anywhere near the low for that day's trading, and the buyers have come back into this market very, very strongly, and importantly have closed this market above very important resistance. A small shadow on the top representing some selling coming in, the buyers losing some commitment, but still this closes well enough above the midpoint level to suggest that the buyers have closed with still very strong control at the end of the trading day. We have seen the influence of this close by level around the 1350 level come into play. The market traded above the 1340 level, was moving higher on its way up towards this 1350 level, and some selling came in with this shadow. There is a possibility of the market trading lower from here, previously rejected from around this area. You can see these candles with the large shadows on the top and this strong price rejection where the market traded down to around the 1270 level, so a possibility of that occurring. But what's different here in this situation is that previously we saw that area trading around the bottom of the cloud, and what we'd expect is that the market would have been strongly rejected from that area. Today we've seen the market break out up above the cloud, and the area down below where the market's trading now, because it's an area of the cloud, it has a very strong possibility of holding as support for this market. So we're unlikely to see a sell-off of this magnitude. If we do see it that we saw in the recent past, there is a good possibility of this market trading higher, but we have solid support around 1329 level as well, and that's an important area to watch if we do trade back within the cloud. At the moment, the current candle as it's developing is finding support around the top of the cloud around 1333, so an important assault on the 1350 level. We'd like to see bullish activity up to there and through there if we are going to see the market trade higher. We could quickly see the market trading up to 1380 if we see a bullish close up above there. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and here today we've seen the market trade through the 161.8% level. That level coincided with the top of the cloud, meaning that that had potential to be very, very strong resistance, and we've closed in a bullish manner above there. This does suggest that the market may have found enough momentum to test to higher levels, and certainly a possibility if we do trade through the swing high around 1350, a possibility to trade up through there to the 261.8% at 1371. The Fibonacci retracement is telling us something slightly different. Here we have a bullish breakout up above the 100%, so it suggests that the market has some solid momentum, bullish candle up above there, and we have the 161.8% at the 1350 level coinciding with this swing high, and that suggests that that area is very, very important. And if we do see selling coming in, if the market trades up there, then we may perhaps see a change of trend. But certainly if we see a bullish breakout up above that level, it will give us some greater confidence in the market trading higher. In terms of patterns in this market, there isn't any pattern in play at the moment, but just looking back at this large type wedge, triangle pennant, not too big to be a pennant, something of a flag. We saw the reversal from there, the breakout to the downside. We didn't see any great follow through. The target was the width of the pattern projected from the breakout area, and the market didn't meet that target. We saw a lack of follow through with this indecisive small bodied hanging man type pattern, and then a change of trend to the upside. So once we saw, if we did trade this pattern, we saw this type of candle, it certainly was a good clue to get out of any trade that may have been initiated based on that pattern. And we are seeing the result of that with this strong bullish activity. So no patterns in play. The market is trending very strongly in terms of making a strong series of higher highs and higher lows, and today the high has traded a long way above the previous high, suggesting that there is very, very solid upside momentum, and hinting that this market certainly could test above the area around 1350 and perhaps even higher than that. In terms of Ichimoku, we now have a bullish market in all three time frames, so a major change of sentiment in the long-term time frame. Previously the market was trading down below the cloud for quite some time, so we had a bearish market in that long-term time frame. We then had the market trading within the cloud, giving us a neutral market, and now today a bullish breakout up above the cloud. Now the thing to watch out for here is that we've had a bullish breakout above a flat part of the cloud, and quite often we can have a false breakout. We can have a activity and a close up above the cloud, giving us a signal that we have a bullish market, but quite often that can be a trade that we don't want to take, even on a bullish candle, because it has occurred at a flat part of the cloud. What you want to see here is some decent follow through, and decent follow through would be the market testing up to the 1350 in a bullish manner. We don't want to see rejection from that 1350. We certainly do want to see the area within the cloud and to the 1329 level hold. So that means that the 1350 level is quite crucial to this market and how the market behaves today. And good confirmation of this breakout would be a candle with a higher high and a higher low and a bullish candle, and certainly even more bullish would be the market closing in a bullish manner up above 1350. In terms of the Kijun-sen, the pink line here, the market is trading up above the Kijun-sen, and we have been for some time. It held as support previously in the recent past. So we have a bullish market in the medium-term time frame, and that's supporting the possibility of this market trading higher. And we also have the market trading above the Tenkan-sen, so a bullish market in that fast-term time frame. And here for the previous day's trading, we saw the Tenkan-sen hold as support, where it was in the recent past holding as resistance. So that suggests that we have had a decent change in sentiment in this market in that short-term time frame. The checkout span here is above the corresponding price action and well above that price action, suggesting that there is some solid upside momentum in this market, and that is supporting what we're seeing in all three time frames, and suggesting that with this bullish candle there is a good possibility of this market trading higher. As we speak, or as I speak, we are seeing this current candle trading lower, and it is now trading through the top of the cloud and testing the 1329 level. So that 1329 level will be crucial to this market for tomorrow's trading, as will areas that we've already discussed. But certainly I'd be looking around that 1329 level as a crucial area, and then up to around the 1350 level if we do see the buyers come back into the market.